What's up, YouTube? Rose back, and today again I have Joseph here with me, and he's gonna be doing a first impression of one of my colognes. Last video I did an impression of 3 colognes that he brought to me, so I brought one for him to give me his first impressions on.
And if you haven't checked that video, go check it now.
Definitely. And you know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Anyways.
Or you can just continue watching me if you like Kobe.
Anyways. So this fragrance here is going to be Bois the Vetiver by, was it Karl Lagerfeld?
Well, I don't even know.
Anyways. So this is a fragrance that just came out in 2018. New bottle. Bottle's very simple, plastic top, and very simple make for the bottle itself, with just the fragrance name on it. I'll show you the atomizer, like he showed you when he sprays it.
This is for me. Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Alright, so here
so
we go.
First impressions, very good. Alright, I'm gonna try it. You know, it smells actually very good. It smells very flowery, kind of, sort. You know, it's for a man of your type. Let's not say that. Kind of smells very fruity. Is that even a word? I don't even know. I made a word today, fruity. Oh no, that's actually the word.
That's a word.
Smells good. Smells like flowers. Smells like there's lemon. But overall, I think it feels like it's for spring, going into the summer type cologne. What do you think?
I agree with them. It smells like this very fresh summer-esque type of smell. The problem I have with it anyways is strictly this, and you could confirm or deny. Do you feel like this is like a fragrance that you would smell on a man?
No.
It smells like a female fragrance, right? Like,
yes.
It just comes off as like a woman's fragrance to me. Like it smells strictly like a woman's fragrance. I would rather smell this on a woman than on myself, type of thing.
Yeah.
You agree?
Yes, I understand. Yeah.
Like I think I would get this. I would get this for a woman. It really smells like some kind of perfume or something like that.
But if you look at the ingredients right now, you know, one of it is, you know, they have roses, blood orange. Is that blood orange?
Is it blood? It says
yes.
Yeah, blood orange,
lemon. Yeah, those are, you know, those are female-like scents. You know.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen them in manly fragrances that come off and work well as a manly fragrance. Just like pineapple smell I had, and it smells like strictly a manly scent, but it's pineapple. But this one, the way the notes play for it, I know it's marketed for a man, but this just smells just like a woman's fragrance to me. And personally, I like it, but I wouldn't wear it. I would give this to a woman to wear. Like, even if it's marketed for a man, I would buy this for a woman and give it to them.
What's the retail price for this?
This is only about $20. I would say.
But overall, it smells nice.
It smells nice
in general. But
yes.
You said you won't wear it. I don't think I would wear it as well too.
Yeah.
But it smells nice. It's not a bad.
It's not a bad scent.
cologne.
Yeah, it's not.
Well, guys, thank you for tuning in. Remember, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. Because on the next video, Roshane will be giving out a cologne. Stay tuned.
No, I won't. But still, you should like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you again for another video. Hopefully, maybe with this guy and with somebody else.
Peace
Out.